Welcome back to Gene Loves Plants. Make sure you hit that like button, that subscribe button, and hit that baby bell so you can get up-to-date notifications. Today is unboxing day. Okay, I'm here at work, and what do I see? Box opening time. Okay guys, I had another unboxing. It's been a minute. I know I promised not to buy any more plants, but I couldn't help it. This is Lake Nursery, and they kind of specialize in philodendrons, and philodendrons are my thing. I absolutely adore them. So I got a few. Again, this is Lake Nursery. I will give you guys the deets in the description, but let's open this box. I was so excited. I just opened up these scissors and I cut this box any old way. Do not do what you see people on TV doing. You do it the right way. Those scissors should be away from me. I should be cutting the other way. And I just want to let you know that I realized that halfway through. So it came in a really nice little box, packaged really well. There was nothing shaking around. I shook it. Just reading the bill of lading, so I know it's in the box, because I kind of also forgot what I was buying. So it came packaged, and right about now, I'm a little like, what is this? I don't really understand what I'm getting, because I think I'm getting like 4 baby plants. Cut it open nicely, securely, and it's right about here. I'm like, WTF, I don't know what this is. So I'm going to fast forward through this little section right here, because it's kind of obvious with my hand motions that I opened this up and I didn't know what I was looking at. So I put them back in the box. I was going to figure it out. And then I saw the QR codes. So guys, these are all my philodendrons. I got to figure out what to do with these guys now. They're so small. I got a philodendron spiritus sancti. I got a philodendron ring of fire variegated. A philodendron billiatetiae. I think I said that correctly. And a philodendron white wizard variegated. So wish me luck, guys. I'm so like pleasantly overwhelmed by the way that the Lake Nursery packaged this. I just kind of had to talk about it. Right here is a game changer. I'm so super excited. I got these things, right? This is the Philodendron ring of fire. All right. So I don't know if you can see that, right? Maybe you can. But see that black stuff? That's a tissue culture, right? It's like a gel that's around the plants. And initially I was like super nervous, like they'll come in this culture that I'm assuming just keeps them alive and allows them to root en route to you, excuse me, or just keeps them alive. So see, this is my philodendron white wizard, and see that chunky stuff? That's not water, that's a tissue culture. And I was a little put off in the sense of like, I don't know what to do with this, like, help me, right? But then I saw these QR codes, and technology is pretty amazing. So like, and this is why I had to say this, because like, if you order from this place, and at this point, I'm a super big fan of Lake Nursery for a couple of reasons. The first one being is, like I said before, they specialize in philodendrons and rare philodendrons that you can't really find. I saw a page on Instagram, and I was like immediately interested in purchasing plants from this place. But the fact that they really go through, I mean, there's videos, there's an Instagram page that they have that I now follow, and I will be tagging them. Not that they'll see me, I'm a little guy, I'm a little fish. But this QR code takes you directly to their Instagram page, and there's like a 5-step process, and it'll open that up from the QR code, and then you can go to each video. So it basically will tell you, you know, what you do when you receive these, right? You keep these for a couple of days so they get acclimated to the air. or to the temperature that you're gonna, you know, expose them to, then you gotta rinse this stuff off. And the guy goes through like this whole process of like how he rinses it off, how he's not necessarily dainty about it. Like he gingerly rinses that stuff off because this culture will mold it. I mean, we'll go through that process as I bring these guys up to speed. You know, they go through, there's a video for the substrate. If you can buy it from them, but if you want to make it yourself, some of us like myself, we like to make it ourselves. It gives you the mix for the substrate, the watering, lighting. Like, I think that is super, super amazing for a few reasons. And one being is that not everybody knows how to do this stuff, right? I knew that I was going to get a plant like this. I didn't know they'd be so tiny. And I was like immediately kind of like nervous and put off, just to be honest. Not that I wouldn't figure it out. I'm a smart guy sometimes. But I really wanted to make sure that I put that in this video, that they really take the time to walk you through the process. And I think that's pretty amazing, because they don't have to figure it out yourself, and probably waste a lot of money, which is probably why they did it. But I wanted to show you that. So I am going to take you on a step-by-step process on how to make these guys mature plants, because this is the first time for me too, and I want them to thrive. So until next time, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.